Welcome to our session on the basics of breathing in mindfulness meditation. Each core technique in this section is flexible. You can focus on one technique at a time or explore them in any order that feels right for you. In this video, we will learn how to focus on our breath and handle mind wandering, which is the fundamental skill in mindfulness meditation. This technique helps calm the mind and brings your attention to the present moment. Let's dive into this essential practice together. Why focus on the breath? Breathing is something we do all the time, yet we rarely notice it. In meditation, focusing on the breath helps anchor us in the now, preventing our minds from wandering into the past or future. It does not require any special tool. The breath is always there. It's a simple and effective way to cultivate mindfulness and inner peace. Getting started. Number 1. Find a comfortable seat. Sit in a quiet spot where you can be undisturbed. You can sit on a comfortable chair, sofa, or on the floor on a meditation cushion or mat. Just make sure your back is straight but not stiff. 2. Close your eyes. This helps minimize distractions and makes it easier to concentrate. 3. Observe your natural breathing and thoughts. Notice the air entering and exiting your nostrils or the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Don't try to change how you breathe. Just observe it as it is. It's normal for your mind to wander. When you notice this happening, don't get frustrated. Understand that it's the nature of the mind that is revealing to you that it's not going to stay on a single object for a long time because it is not used to it. The instruction is simple. Every time your mind wanders, notice what's on your mind. When you realize it's not on your breath, don't push the thought away or follow it. Don't judge it. Instead, gently bring your attention back to your breath sensations at the nostrils, chest, abdomen, or wherever the sensations are most vivid for you. Why observe thoughts non-judgmentally? Learning not to react to every thought helps in reducing stress and anxiety. It helps you understand that not every thought demands your attention or reaction. This way, you can remain more balanced and peaceful, regardless of what's going on in your mind. Techniques to enhance meditation. Counting basics. Start by inhaling and after exhaling, silently count 1 in your mind. Count 2 after the next breath cycle, continuing until you reach 10. If your mind wanders, you miss a count, or feel unsure, gently bring your focus back to 1 and start again. After reaching 10, keep your attention to the breath sensations at the tip of the nose, nostrils, or wherever they feel most vivid for you. This technique helps keep your mind focused. Visualization. In your mind, picture yourself surfing on the waves of your in-breath and out-breath. Alternatively, imagine yourself on a gentle day floating on a rubber raft in the ocean. You are gently lifted up as you inhale and gently lowered as you exhale. This visualization can make the practice more vivid and engaging. Common challenges and tips. Your mind will wander endlessly. Remember, the goal is not to stop the thoughts or emotions but to observe them, learning to return to the breath each time your mind wanders. Instead of engaging with the thoughts or reacting to them, simply acknowledge their presence and let them go. Think of them as clouds in the sky, moving across without impacting you. So, as you can realize, it requires a great degree of discipline and love. Love to see what is in your mind and then gently bring back your attention to your breath sensations again and again and again. Conclusion. Focusing on your breath and not reacting to your thoughts is a powerful way to reduce stress, enhance your overall mental clarity, and ground your mind on the present moment. The more you practice, the better you will become at maintaining your inner peace, even when disruptive thoughts arise. Remember, the key to success in meditation is consistency. Try to practice these breathing techniques daily. With time, you will find that this practice enhances your daily life, making you more mindful and less reactive. Thank you for joining today's session on breathing basics and handling mind wandering. Keep practicing and I will see you in my next video where we will explore another core meditation technique.